Hello everyone, this is Gary. Welcome to our YouTube channel again. Today we will talk about the KN95 face masks, like this one. KN95 face masks, you can see. I open this one. This is our products we will talk. This is the product we will talk again. KN95 is not an American or European standards. This is the Chinese standards with the ERGB208 standards, and this is equal about the N95 or FFP2. This is the same. They are in the same levels, but only have a small difference. And this mask cannot use for medical. This mask is only used for daily life, for safety, for some people, like this place. So this is not a medical mask. This is but for safety masks. So people, you should know. But this is also very good to defense about the COVID-19. That is no problems. Okay. As usual, we will check about how much this masks sell in Amazon. Today we will check about the 9 countries Amazon. They are United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Spanish, French, Netherlands, and Australia. This line Amazon, how much they sell, and if we get the price, we will give the 13 discounts and at our website, so you can purchase from our website with the 13% discount. Okay, price, free deliver 1 carton, but our MQ is 1 carton. Okay, let's start. Let's check the K95 face mask price. You can see this is the Amazon. This is still loading. Amazon. Let me type the keywords. K95 masks. Okay. And I will use this keywords to Canada, United Kingdom, Germany. This is Germany. This is also Germany. Okay. And Italy. And this one is Spanish. Okay. Check from the French Amazon. Check about the Northern Amazon. Check about Australian Amazon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. It's okay. Close this one. So we only target for the best seller or Amazon choice. Okay. The first one, which is the best seller. The best seller is this one. Oh my God! United States. How many pieces? This is K95. This is 2 pieces per count. This is 3.28 per pieces. I will choose the cheapest one. Okay. So let me type this one. 20.99. Sorry. 39. How many pieces? 20 pieces. Okay. Let me check about Canada. Canada, the best seller is not K95 masks. This is 3-ply face masks. I don't see any best seller. This best seller also is not K95 masks. This is a flat paper, which can inside for another kind of masks. So Canada low best seller, low same product best seller. So I cancel in Canada. Let me check about the United Kingdom. Kingdom best seller. Which one is best seller? Best seller. I don't find any best seller. This also is this product also is not in the K95 masks. Okay. So check Germany. Oh, Germany K95. I think this one is same as our samples. So how much this one? So Germany is 36 per point. How many pieces? Only 10 pieces. How much is this one? This percent. Let me check. How many pieces? 4 pieces. But this is FIP2, not the K91. We also have FIP2 and with FIP3. I will talk about FIP2 for tomorrow or next video. So right now I use this one, K95. Only 10 pieces, so expensive. 10 pieces, so expensive. So, oh, this is Amazon Choice. This is K95. Let me check. I think the shape is the same, so I will use this price. Okay, okay, for 10 pieces. Germany. This is the Italian Amazon. Italian Amazon, the price, the best seller. I think all is the best seller. We will choose the cheapest one. So cheapest one is this one. 34.9 for how many pieces? For 20 pieces. Okay, 20 pieces. Amazon Choice also is expensive. Okay. Spanish. Oh, right now let me check the Spanish. Spanish, I don't find the bestseller. Spanish, no bestseller. Okay, Spanish, no bestseller. How about French? French bestseller is not the K95 face masks. Is also this is cartoon masks, not a face. This is also cartoon masks. So French, those items can be a reference. Let me check the Lost Land. Oh, this is the K95. Lost Land, this is the K95. 28.03. How many pieces? How many pieces? Let me check. How many pieces? Right now the page is loading, so we will check about the Australian Amazon. The final one, Australian Amazon. This is no K95, not K95. So the final one, I don't find the K95 face masks. Okay, still loading. I will type it. Let me check K95 for how many pieces? 20 pieces. That's the loading, and we will check our calculate. So this is the final price what we get right now. Okay, because Northland Amazon I don't find how many pieces. The page is still loading, but let me check. Exchange rate. This US dollar, no need exchange rate, but Germany 20 point. Okay. Germany about 20.99 for 10 pieces. So exchange 3.3, and this one is 20.5. This one is okay, lost on the page is coming. So 28.3 cents about 10 pieces. Okay. $10 pieces. But now, so this is the final price. I was using the Google to change as to calculate as exchange today exchange rate. So let me check about if I give you 13% discount for our package is 25 pieces one box. So the formula is not is this price divided for pieces, and this is one piece. This is one piece's cost, and I have 25 pieces. Also with 13 discount. Okay, so final price is this one. Okay, I will remove this one. I will remove this one. So this is our final one box price. I will choose the cheapest one because you can see right now if sell to the United States 33, Germany 44. Even I gave the discounts or 13 discounts, but still cost is very high. Italy, my price is 33.6. Northland, oh my god, 15.7.1. That's okay. That's okay. I will choose the cheapest one to upload to our website. Okay, because our MOQ is not one box, but for one cartons. One carton with 24 box. So let me check about how much for the final one carton cost. Plus 24. So our final cost is, as you can see, this one. We will sell at our website. This one. For one carton, free deliver to your countries. Okay. But if this video in YouTube, I can get 1,000 like for these videos. I will give more discounts. Let me check how much for this one. Oh, sorry, this price 25. Sorry, 25. This is one box. Sorry. If I give the 35 discounts, the final price is exchange rate plus for pieces 25 and 24 one cartons, and with discounts for 35. So if I get 1,000 like at our YouTube, I will update the price as this price. But if I can give the 10,000 like, then more discounts will show you as my promise. Okay. Exchange rate divided for the pieces, and plus for 25 per box, and for 24. This is for one cartons. Okay. Plus 0.6. Okay. So this is the final price. If I get like 1,000, 10,000, okay, I will change the price on my website. And this cost is including for the all express cost. The express time about 1 and 2 weeks from, because I need shipping from China, then I deliver to your countries. So maybe 1 and 2 weeks, that is okay. So now let me check our products K95. How about the package? Okay. I will use this camera. Okay, K95. This is a box. This is one box. You can see K95, 25 pieces, K95, and even with the standards GB2626. Okay, and the flat, and a lot of information you can see. Okay, let's open this one. One box with 25 pieces, and we're using the 5 pieces with one pouch. 5 pieces with one pouch. So you can see they have 5 pieces within one pouch. Okay, this one. 5 pieces with one pouch. You will get 24 box like this one with the 1 cartons. Okay. So right now, let me check our manufacturer's certifications. And manufacturer certifications, I think you can see this is the manufacturers from Guangdong factory manufacturers. This is their workshop for the production. Okay, this is the workshop. This is the test library. This is the machine, test machine, and then this is the face mask machine, making machine. Okay, and product profile, like because this face mask is 5 ply, not 3 or not 4. They are 5 ply, and our manufacturer also with the United States EUA white list, so can be exported to the United States. That's no problem and can sell. And you can say, okay. And the package you can say like next one. Right now they are using the bigger cartons. Big cartons contain about 1,200 pieces, but we sell about half cartons. 600 pieces of 1 carton. So that's you can get you can use the can save the money if you do not need to buy so much. So that is the package. That is test report. Okay. They still have the FIP2 and the FIP3. We will FIP3. I will show you in the next video. So this video will only talk about the KN95 face masks. Okay. And you also can go to our channel to check our this face masks detailed video in our channel. They have a very good video to show you these products very well. Okay. So right now, do not forget if you like this. Okay, I need to check to my cameras. Okay, if you like this videos, and please do not shame to share your like. If I get more like, I can give more discounts. Right now only have the 13% discount. Okay, if I can get more like for this video, I will give more discounts in our website. Right now, do not post the price at my website. I will change this later. So when you see these videos, the price maybe has been changed. Okay, at my website. So do not forget to like and subscribe. And thank you very much. Okay, see you next time.